Hi kid. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a simple but sophisticated Valentine's look. So if you have a date on Valentine's and you don't know what to do, here is the video for you. Okay, let's start. So what I do first is I moisturize my face using this sunscreen. Just spread it all over your face. Next is I'm gonna use this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. This is a long-lasting foundation. Even if you have a date on like a lunch date, a simple lunch date, and you can use this one. I'm gonna use a sponge. Then blend this up. This has a medium coverage, so it's just perfect for me to conceal my dark spots. So it's on Valentine's Day. I don't know why people just wait until Valentine's Day to show their love to someone. You can show it every day, but yeah, if you have the time to show it every day, you don't have to wait for Valentine's Day to show someone that you love, that you care for them. So next thing that I'm gonna put on my face is the concealer. So you just need to turn it like that. This is the first that I'm using this because I've seen in so many tutorials that this is a good concealer. And don't forget about your dark spots. So get the sponge again and blend this out. So we're done with the concealer, and the next thing that we're gonna do is to bake. That's using the CoverGirl Clean Professional. And then here. To clean it, we just need to dust it off after we put on our eyeshadow. For this look, I'm gonna use a soft brown shade. This one, and this is from ColourPop Double and Trendy. So I'm gonna put it over here. Okay. It's just to add like a pop of color. I'm just gonna put like a shimmery shade on our eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this shade over here. This will lighten your eyes. And I'm just gonna add more the soft brown eyeshadow in here. So next is I'm just gonna dust off this baking. Okay, so we're done with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do our brows. I'm gonna use this Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefit. Brush it first. So I always start at the edge. So I use this darker shade to fill out the edges. Then after that, I'm gonna use this one to fill in the inner part. So make sure when you're doing your eyebrows to start it at the edge and stay within the hair. For the eyeliner, I'm gonna use this tattoo liner by Kat Von D. If you made a mistake, just leave it as is, because we're gonna put false eyelashes anyway. Okay, so we're done with that. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is put false eyelashes on. Okay, so we're done putting our lashes. I'm gonna curl it so it will follow the curl of the false lashes that we put on. Okay, so we're gonna put mascara on as well, and this is Total Tease by CoverGirl. Just be careful with your false eyelashes. They fall off easily. Okay, so we're finished with the lashes. I'm gonna do the contour. This is Wet n Wild contour palette. Contour saves the day! Okay, so next is blush. So I'm gonna use this blush palette by Makeup Revolution, and I am gonna use this shade over here. So don't forget to smile if you're putting the blush, it helps define it. Okay, so we're done with the blush, and then I'm gonna put highlighter on. I'm gonna use this in Nude Endo by Colourpop, and then I'm gonna use this shade and apply it here. So for this look, I'm gonna use like a red lipstick, because Valentine's is all about red, the color of love. So I'm gonna use a lip liner, and this is from Essence. I'm gonna use this lipstick. This is the Russian Red by MAC. Hello! Nalpaskon. Do you like it? Yes? So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!